Does your life suck? Do you hate going to work every day without any recognition? Did you not get a Christmas bonus last year? Well, it's because your boss thinks you're an idiot and hates you. And the solution to this is to make him a handcrafted gift that only took you a couple hours to do and a couple bucks at the lumber yard. So let's get some materials and figure it out. He's on his way. Welcome to the Komar Project.
So I picked up a couple pieces of maple and walnut from the scrap bin at my local lumber yard, and I think I paid just under 20 bucks for it. Now, I'm planning on making a desk organization set with a pen holder, business card holder, and some coasters in order to bribe my boss into giving me a Christmas bonus. So let's mill this scrap lumber up and test this theory.
Remarkably, I was able to get all of these pieces clamped up tonight. I have to finish this tomorrow, so we're gonna let these sit. Let these 27 clamps that are in here do their work. Hopefully it'll go well. We'll see. Big bonus. All right. We got money, baby. Nah, it's just wood, guys. That's all it is. Just wood. Not bad. This'll work. I just popped the breaker. Hopefully it's not saying something. That one. Yeah. Neither one of those. That one. Got it. Let's try it again. Got it this time. Oh, and I forgot one thing. When you're doing this, make sure you wear an old Christmas sweater. Doesn't work without it. Trust me, sweater's key. Now to cut everything down to size, a little router action, and we should be ready for finish. Maybe some sanding. See if we have time. You'll never know the difference. He drinks a lot of big beer. Boom, there you go. And you got yourself some cool stuff. Now, I'm gonna show you guys for real how, yeah. Okay, so the key of making this thing work is try and make it look professional so that he or she or it, if your boss is a Sasquatch, actually think that you know what you're doing when you don't. So dress it up with some really nice people. This might work. All right, and the last step in this theory is to give it to them in front of everybody from work and hope they don't think you're a schmuck. Let's do it.
It looks homemade.
So there you go, guys. That was our experiment. I don't think it worked. There's no big bonus, but you know what? At the end of the day, it's not about money. It's about making something for someone that you really care about. So if you want to make something from the heart that means a lot more than something just from the store, go ahead and give this a try and let me know how it goes. If you like this video, let me know in the comment section below. If you have any questions, anything like that, put those down below. And as always, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for joining me on my experience. I will see you guys next time.